Today I will be showing you a letter name activity to do with your students. This activity is called Show Me, and what you will need is a 3-pocket folder for each student. You will make 14 letter cards for each of the students to use in their pockets, and on those cards you will have 5 short vowels along with the consonants B, D, F, G, M, N, P, R, and T. Okay? And what you will do is each student gets a folder and a set of letter cards, and then the teacher will call out a word. The students will put the letter cards in their pockets and then close their folders for no one else to see. Once the teacher says, "Show me," the students will reveal their words to this teacher. This would be a great activity maybe to do at the carpet or probably at their desks. And this will also allow you to kind of test their knowledge as to what 3-letter words the students are familiar with and who's got it and who needs help.